What up, vlog?
You ready? Put them on that cart, bruh. Panama.
Panama Jack.
Family fishing trip.
Family fishing.
Drinking, of course.
Oh, and Panama Jack is here.
Oh my god.
Panama Cole.
Who even is that?
It's like some dude that wears a straw hat.
Yeah. I just have like this rough image.
Like some old like safari
I'll
dude.
throw up a picture of him.
Nah.
We ready. We got the bait. Got the golf carts. We ready. We ready. Double fish touch. Oh.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pop, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too, there's nothing that, there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me come close. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
There's like a spider or something.
What's that?
There's a bug on your camera.
There's bugs everywhere.
Don't put any
Another
extra
group.
ugly clips of me in that.
What is it?
Okay?
Pick him up.
Bro,
Hey, pick him up.
I got beer in my hand.
Okay.
Don't grab him like that.
I got
He's
him.
gonna flop.
He's gonna flop.
Get his
How am I gonna
lip.
get his mouth?
Get his lip.
Alright, good.
Bro. Release. It's too small.
It's so small.
Oh, he got lost in the mud.
You have the pliers?
Yeah, they're over on the ground. Double fish touch. Oh. Fish right there.
I'm gonna get it. See it?
Right there. It's coming across the water.
For a long time, nothing happens.
Oh, there you go.
Then finally, a take. And this time, it's big.
Lucky guy.
Yeah. Whew. Thank goodness.
He ate your worm. Make Sarah hold it.
I will. Don't worry, I'm a chaser.
That's probably at least a pound and a half.
Maybe.
You want the pliers?
Nice, got it.
It's just stuck in the top and it's like
Do like a
harder than the
pop.
bottom. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
Hold it, Sarah.
Boom.
Ooh.
Boom.
Don't chase
Boom.
I need to clear my head and regain my confidence. I just need to catch a fish. Anything will do.
They're too loose. As soon as he was on it, it just was like going out.
Oh,
So it was too loose.
He needs some milk!
Gonna make it.
I tried to pick him up by the tail.
Yo. Fuck. Oh,
He's a rock.
he's
Push him in. He got himself off the hook after he was up.
oh god, he's gonna fall. You gotta hook it, get it in his mouth and. Oh.
Yeah.
And he's gone. What a river monster.
He got a bite in the pipe.
Yeah.
Oh, he went in the. He went in. He went in the pipe. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! The snapping turtle. Pull it up. The fish got it and swam in there. I don't know. He wanted.
Damn. That's so funny.
Oh god.
I was afraid.
Whew. Good trip. Many fish were caught. Had some fun. Sarah caught a fish.
Yeah, I had a couple of good ones too, but my reel was messed up. And I went to cut the hook and the line just went out.
I just had one bite.
You had a bite?
Got the bug now.
I just had one bite a second ago.
You can feel it, can't you?
Yeah.
Just nibble it.